How do I activate a new phone with Assurance Wireless?
Hello there. In this video, we will be guiding you through the process of activating a new phone with Assurance Wireless. Assurance Wireless is a federal lifeline assistance program brought to you by Virgin Mobile. It is a government initiative to provide a free cell phone and minutes to those who are eligible. Now, let's get started with the process.
Do you have your Assurance Wireless account ready?
Before starting the process, ensure that you have your Assurance Wireless account ready. Your account number, PIN, and other details related to your account would be required. If you don't have an account yet, please visit the Assurance Wireless website and sign up.
Preparing your new phone for activation.
To prepare your new phone for activation, fully charge your device first. Once the phone is charged, turn on your device. You should see a setup wizard to guide you through the initial steps. Follow the prompts, and if asked, choose Assurance Wireless as your service provider.
Initiating the activation process.
Now let's move on to the main step, which is initiating the activation process. Call Assurance Wireless Customer Care. The number to call can typically be found in the materials that came with your phone. When you reach out to them, you will be guided by an automated system. Make sure you have your account details ready, as you will need to provide this information. You will also be required to provide the serial number or the MEID DEC number of your new phone. This number can usually be found on the packaging or under the battery of your phone.
Completing the activation process.
After providing all the necessary information, you will be given instructions to complete the activation. This usually involves configuring network settings on your device. Follow the instructions carefully. Once this is done, your phone will take a few moments to complete the activation. After activation, your phone should be ready to use with Assurance Wireless. If for any reason you encounter issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact Assurance Wireless customer service for further assistance. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process of activating your new phone with Assurance Wireless. Enjoy your new device and the services provided by Assurance Wireless. If you have further questions or concerns, remember, Assurance Wireless customer service is always ready to assist you. Happy calling!